Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on CoinTails. So let's get started right away. If you have already installed the CoinTails game on your device, then go ahead and open it up. And if you open the game for the first time, you will be taken into the basic tutorial levels, which you can complete in under a minute. After completing the level and entering your desired username, you can tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. From the settings menu, you will be able to find the link account option. Go ahead and click on link account, and now you have two different options. If you signed up using your Facebook, you can click on sign in with Facebook, and if you signed up using your Google account, you can click on sign in with Google. Just click on whichever option is suitable for your account, and then you might be asked to log in to your Facebook or your Google account. Just select your account that is associated with your CoinTails game, and once you choose the appropriate account, you will directly be logged in to your existing account on CoinTails. And once you are signed in, you will gain all the resources that you had received within your previous game save. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the CoinTails game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.